Yeah, hi Steve, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, just to let you know that I've obviously got your laser and I've done a repair for you. Okay, so the repair, basically what I've done is I've stripped it down, given the micro switch a bit of a clean, and I've also changed the laser in there for you. Checked the cogs. They are, they're not dirty, but they're a little bit off colour. I've given them a good clean up for you. There's loads of life left in them yet. This is a fairly new part still. When I say it's a new part, it's still 20 years old, but it's still a good working part. I've checked your board for you as well, and the board seems all okay, all intact. No parts come off, and yeah, no dry joints on there, not that there is on these 54s. So yeah, it's working as it should be. I've had it on test for several hours, and yeah, I'm not getting any faults on it, so hopefully you will be happy with that. Let me just turn it up for you. You can hear it. You'll have to excuse the noise on there because it's my headphones, and they've seen better days basically. It's my little jig that I've made up myself type of thing. So it's not the best, but it does the job. So you should be able to hear that playing there. So yeah, it's in reasonable condition as well still. So my guess, you should probably get another, at least I'm going to say 5 years, another 5 years out of it, and then give it another service. In all honesty, if you look after it, there's no reason why it shouldn't last you a lot longer. But I do think that because these are older units now, you need to get them serviced. Just get someone to look at them and give them an overhaul is the best thing. Even whether they're working or not, it just saves you a lot of trouble. Because parts for these now are getting like really rare. So thanks again, Steve. I hope this finds you in good health. And anything you need, just give me a shout. You've got a 6-month warranty on the parts that we've put in, which is the laser. If it needs to come back within a couple of weeks or so, all we ask for is the postage, and we'll be happy to do that for you under warranty. Thanks very much, Steve. Have a great one.